Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. This is Steve Rhodes coming to you live from very sunny Delray Beach, Florida. And this is your 1 p.m. update. Currently got all the U.S. indices trading to the downside. The Dow's off 231, S&P 32, NASDAQ 139, Russell's off 39 points. Russell 2000 leading the charge, the downside, percentage-wise, that is. Semis are off 50, NASDAQ Composite off 166. You've got the spot volatility index trading out at 2308. I still believe that's below the 50-day exponential moving average. We're going to take a look at that. We'll certainly take a look at that during the Trader's Edge show next. Gold's up $2, silver down 20 cents. Light sweet crude is off 46 pennies. So let's go take a look at our core 9 market update charts. We begin by taking a look at the ES Mini. That's in your upper left-hand panel. Here's what we know about it. Number one, it's completed that measured move of its consolidation breakout. That was in the 39.50 level. So it's accomplished that. Also, what it did on Wednesday, as it was doing that, it generated a TD9 count topping pattern. So what's the ES Mini doing? It's pulling back to test its first level of support. The first level of support is 38.62. If price closes below that, the next level is 38.21. And below 38.21, we'd be looking at 36.97. First test has to occur, and it hasn't, and that's 38.62. If you take a look at that spot volatility index, you can see it's tested and so far rejected the 50-day exponential moving average. The number right now is 2378. If there's a close above 2378, that could generate a one-day rate of change greater than 10%. I don't know if it does or it doesn't. I think that it does. But if it doesn't, well, and you get a close above the 50-day exponential moving average, that's telling you that that ES Mini is absolutely going to target 38.62 and perhaps lower. We can see that the NQ is already testing the top of its daily profile. It's held so far, so the number to be watching there for a further move lower is going to be 13.512 come the end of the session. U.S. dollar index is pulling back a bit. It's just consolidating with inside its daily profile. If you look at Goldilocks, not consolidating, trading below a little rising trend line, but just slightly above the swing point from November 30th. That's at 1771. It closed below 1771. It's curtains. And what it means is more downside move for Goldilocks. Silver still just dealing with the resistance level at the top of its daily profile, 2753. Light sweet crude pulling back a bit, but still wants to move higher. Treasury bonds look like they want to move lower. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show, but if you're off to start your Thursday, you know what we say here. We want you to have a thirsty one. Have a great day. Take care.